Today we are diving into emulsification, the art and science behind forming stable emulsions using high-shear mixing. We will discuss not only how high-shear mixing creates these delicate mixtures, but also why achieving the perfect emulsion is essential for industries like dairy, cosmetics and beverages. At its core, emulsification is the process of combining two immiscible liquids, such as oil and water, into a single uniform mixture. Typically, one liquid is dispersed as fine droplets throughout the other, and the result is an emulsion. With high-shear mixers, intense mechanical forces are applied to break down the larger droplets into much smaller ones, creating a stable, homogeneous blend. Let's look at the mechanism in more detail. The high-shear mixer employs a rapid rotating rotor paired with a stationary stator. As the ingredients are forced through the narrow gap between these two components, very high shear forces come into play. These forces disrupt the larger droplets, reducing them to microscopically small particles that are uniformly distributed throughout the continuous phase. The finer the droplets, the more stable the emulsion becomes, as they are less likely to coagulate or separate over time. In practical applications, consider dairy processing. When making products like milk, cream or flavored beverages, homogenization is critical to prevent cream from separating out. Emulsification ensures that fat droplets remain evenly dispersed, resulting in a smoother, more consistent product. Similar in the cosmetic industries, stable emulsions form the backbone of creams and lotions. A well-emulsified cream feels luxurious on the skin, maintains its consistency over time, and delivers active ingredients effectively. Achieving a successful emulsion involves more than just high shear forces. The ratio of oil to water, the type and concentration of emulsifiers used, and the physical properties of the ingredients all play significant roles. Emulsifiers are substances that help reduce the surface tension between the two liquids, stabilizing the tiny droplets that forms. Without the right emulsifier, even the most vigorous mixing might not prevent the droplets from merging back together. Another critical parameter is temperature control. Temperature affects the viscosity of your ingredients and the efficiency of droplet breakup. Warmer temperatures can reduce viscosity, making it easier for the mixer to achieve finer droplet sizes. However, they can also accelerate the degradation of sensitive ingredients. Striking the right balance is essential. Moreover, the design of your high-shear mixer is crucial. Modern systems offer adjustable rotor speeds and variable gap sizes between the rotor and the stator, giving you the flexibility to tailor the process to your specific formulation. In an inline setup, for instance, the continuous flow of material through the shear zone can lead to exceptional uniform emulsions, ideal for large-scale production. In contrast, batch systems might offer more control when dealing with bespoke formulation or smaller volumes. Emulsification isn't just about aesthetics. It impacts the product's performance. A stable emulsion not only improves texture and appearance, but also enhances shelf life and consumer satisfaction. Whether you're producing a dairy beverage that stays creamy until the last sip, or a cosmetic lotion that maintains its consistency over time, the benefit of effective emulsifications are clear. In summary, high-shear mixing for emulsification transforms two immiscible liquids into a uniform, stable product through the use of powerful mechanical forces, careful control of process parameters, and the strategic use of emulsifiers and temperature management. If you are experiencing issues with droplet sizes or stability in your emulsion, it may be time to review and fine-tune your process settings. If you have any questions or require further assistance on achieving the perfect emulsion, please feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep your emulsion stable, your textures consistent, and your product of the highest quality.